Nadia Jones on the soundtrack. Good morning, family. Welcome to Sneaker Notes. Thanks for checking in. Today we got an early review. The Jordan 1 Royalty. Quick, just looking at it. It's a nice shoe, man. As you know, earlier and 2 years ago, we received the Jordan 1 Game Royals. And as you can see, still DS. Still didn't get a chance to put these on. That's because I just been like so busy beating up the OGs. These right here is the OG Jordan 1 Royals. And as you can see, man, I wear these a lot. So that's why I didn't get a chance to get the Game Royals on. But back to the Jordan 1 Royal Toe. It seems this year Jordan's been like, he's been doing a lot of Chicago blocking. You know, we seen it with the purple, the Jordan 1 purple 2.0s, the Pine Green 2.0s, and now the Game Royals get a 2.0. So we're going to get into this review, but you know what we do here at Sneaker Notes. It's the What's on Foot segment. This is part of the video where you, the viewer, go down in that comment section below and let your boy know what you're rocking on foot. I just woke up. I'm going to head out and try to learn how to play with this drone I just got. On foot today, I got on the pink Foamposites, one of the super OG classics. I had over 80 pairs of Foamposites. I got it down to 8. I only kept the Cork Drops, the Pewters, the Coppers, the Eggplants, the USA joints, and of course the Royal Blue ones, and these pink ones I got on foot. Foamposites is slowly trying to make a comeback. I think if they drop the price tag down a little $25, they make it do it. But again, on foot today, I got on the pink Foamposites in that comment section below. Let me know what you're rocking on foot when you catch this video. Now, let's get into this review. Unboxing time. Boom. Your same Jordan 1 box. Don't matter if we get a 2.0 or 3.0. Jordan Brand's not changing his box. Shout out to earlier in the year with all the Fearless. He changed the box around, but you're going to get the same box with these Royal Toes. And it reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG 555-088-041. And black, white, Game Royal. Typical colors. And the price tag is $170 USD. We all know Jordan Brand went up $10 on the sneakers. So the Jordan 1s that used to be $160 is now $170. The regular Jordans used to be $190 are usually $200 now. Hey. So flip open the lid. Got your Nike quality check there. Swoosh. I got these from the shop. They came early. I also got the Jordan 5 Fire Reds in the shock drop, and it took almost 2 weeks. I got them release date. I'm happy to get these a little earlier. Let's start with the left shoe. Off the bat, you can see they come with an extra lacing, blue shoestrings. Usually all Royals come with the blue shoestring, but this blue looks a little more flat, a little more dull. It doesn't look like the original ones, but I'll double check that. Let's get that out the way. Got a regular black swoosh. Like I told you earlier in the video, your white Chicago 1 blocking. Come around. Black leather comes all the way around. This is not the best of leather, but it's good leather. It's definitely quality. Right here, your ankle heel. Got the plush blue coming over the top of the black. Now this leather is a little better. As you can see, it has your tumbleness in the leather, and it's plush soft. Coming around, same color blocking, same black swoosh. Now you go to your toe box. As you can see, it's kind of a hard leather. It doesn't have that soft bounce back. Let's take the shoe tree out and see if things change. Right here, your regular Jordan 1 shoe tree. Nothing different.
A few moments later.
Okay, we have a little more bounce back now. It's not the softest, but it does bounce back. So it could give you that, characteristics when you wear it a lot of times, like I showed y'all on my Game Royals. You can see if you wear the sneaker over time, these are my original Royal Blues. It starts to get characteristics, a whole bunch of creases and, things of that nature. Going to the tongue, that's your black, I want to say, what you call this, like nylon material. And it has your leather here. As you know, Jordan Brands, he's been playing with the tags on the tongues with the Jordan 1s lately. I think the Jordan 1 Zooms that I had like a clear translucent tab here. But this one is standard with your leather there, your Nike in white. I feel like that should have been in blue, but it's not too bad. And it comes connected in black shoestrings. So I would recommend throwing the blue in. Your bottom has your nice royal blue all around. And then again, your Chicago blocking with your white on the outsole. Now right here is the Game Royals that came out, I want to say like 2.5, close to 3 years ago. And this shoe is clean. If I had to decide between these and these, I like the all blue look better on the Game Royals. In that comment section below, let me know which ones y'all feeling better. Although on the latest, the new ones that come out Saturday, I like that Air Jordan 1 in the white compared to it being in the black. Please, in that comment section below, let me know which one y'all think is better. I mean, they both sport the black swoosh, so that doesn't change. Overall, it's just like I said, like I always say, it's a mixture of, do you like the Chicago color blocking or do you like bread color blocking? I mean, I don't mind either way. But the new pair that drops this Saturday, I think is a must cop, especially if you don't own these or the originals. Me being a sneakerhead and a Jordan fan, I still don't understand how Shadows and like Game Royals are considered like as the breads are, due to the colorway is not a Chicago Bulls colorway. But they there, man, and these Game Royals I beat up, so I know I had to cop these. Again, they retailing for $170 this Saturday. Sneakers app, all that good stuff. Shouldn't be too hard to get based on everything's dropping online now, but you know how the bots do, man. So again, this is exclusive early review on the Jordan 1 Royal Toes. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Please hit that subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. Everybody stay safe, get rich. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack. know the vibe. Sneaker notes if we talking about kicks.